In a world where quick fixes and instant gratification are the norms, a select group of individuals rise above the fray, not by mere chance, but through intentional actions and deeply ingrained habits. From the unwavering commitment to continuous learning, to the strategic harnessing of debt, and the foresight to plan decades in advance, these individuals craft their wealth as a master artist would a masterpiece. They understand the power of networks, the importance of diversification, and the magic of passive income. But more than anything, they possess a mindset that sees challenges not as setbacks, but as opportunities. Today we dive into the 10 principles that not only define the wealthy, but can pave the way for anyone aspiring for financial success. Before we get started, if you'd like to join a stellar investing community, sign up for a premium membership at the link in the description below. Let's get started. 1. Investing. Investing stands as a cornerstone in the playbook of the affluent. These discerning individuals channel their funds into robust assets like stocks, real estate, and burgeoning businesses, driven not by the allure of swift gains, but by a long-term vision. They see beyond the immediate horizon, understanding that carefully chosen and nurtured assets can burgeon over years, if not decades. This strategic approach eventually translates into streams of passive income, creating a formidable cushion of financial stability and autonomy. Unlike the fleeting rewards of short-term ventures, these investments resemble planting seeds today for a bountiful forest tomorrow. Through patience, foresight, and calculated risk, many wealthy individuals transform these holdings into revenue-generating powerhouses, cementing their financial legacy for generations to come. 2. Continuous learning. Continuous learning is a hallmark of the accomplished and driven. For these individuals, the quest for knowledge isn't confined to the years spent in formal education. Instead, it's an enduring journey that spans a lifetime. Whether diving into the pages of insightful books, engaging in thought-provoking seminars, or pursuing other avenues of personal development, they're perpetually hungry for growth and understanding. This relentless pursuit often transcends professional advancement, signaling a deeper, intrinsic motivation. It's a testament to their belief that there's always room for improvement, that the boundaries of knowledge are ever expanding. For the successful, learning isn't just a means to an end, it's an enduring passion, a way of life that continuously enriches their perspective and fuels their drive to achieve even greater heights. 3. Network building. Network building, more than just amassing contacts, is a nuanced art that the prosperous master as strategic alliances, bridging them to boundless opportunities. These relationships evolve into rich reservoirs of insights and collaborations. For the wealthy, a robust network isn't merely a tool for advancement, but a symbiotic ecosystem of mutual growth, where they both tap into and contribute value, fostering an environment where innovation and partnerships thrive. 4. Delayed gratification. The principle of delayed gratification, often overshadowed in today's instant gratification culture, is pivotal for success and wealth accumulation. It's not just about foregoing immediate pleasures, but also about adopting financial habits like diligent saving, strategic long-term investing to leverage compound growth, and avoiding debilitating debts. Though this practice demands present sacrifice, it charts a path towards a more prosperous and stable future. 5. Leveraging debt. While debt is often viewed negatively, it can serve as a powerful financial tool when used judiciously. Many associate debt with financial stress, but for the astute, it's a means to amplify returns, especially in sectors like real estate and business investments. Instead of using only their capital, the wealthy may leverage borrowed funds to control more significant assets and gain enhanced returns on their initial investment. Though this carries inherent risks, careful analysis and prudent liability management can turn debt from a burden to a valuable avenue for wealth multiplication. For the financially informed, debt symbolizes opportunity, not just obligation. 6. Diversification. Diversification, central to the strategy of the affluent, is more than just asset distribution. It's a comprehensive approach to balance risk and reward. Instead of risking everything on one venture, the savvy diversify their investments, protecting against the volatility of individual sectors and capitalizing on multiple growth opportunities. This multi-pronged strategy, encompassing real estate, stocks, bonds, businesses, and more, ensures a consistent performance despite individual market fluctuations. For the well-off, diversification isn't merely a safety measure. It's a calculated orchestration to optimize returns and adeptly manage risks. 7. Prioritizing passive income before scaling. In the grand theater of wealth building, there's a strategy that stands out not for its flamboyance, but for its sheer efficacy. The methodical prioritization of passive income. Before diving headlong into the tempestuous seas of high-risk, high-reward ventures, many astute wealth builders first anchor themselves in the calm waters of passive income streams. Their objective is straightforward but profound. Ensure that recurring, often automated revenue covers their essential expenses. Once this bedrock of financial stability is firmly in place, a newfound freedom emerges. With the safety net of passive income beneath them, these individuals can then confidently venture into scaling their wealth. They invest in growth assets, those glittering opportunities that promise to multiply capital exponentially. While these assets might carry higher risks, the foundation of passive income provides a buffer against potential setbacks, allowing for more adventurous financial moves. This two-pronged approach, combining the reliability of passive income with the dynamism of aggressive investments, crafts a financial journey that promises both stability and remarkable growth. For those in the know, it's like securing one's castle before embarking on new conquests. 8. Tax planning. The labyrinthine world of taxes, with its myriad rules, regulations, and nuances, might daunt many, but for the financially astute, it represents a landscape of opportunity. It's a common misconception that taxes, being obligatory, leave little room for strategic maneuvering. However, those who've amassed wealth recognize that understanding and adeptly navigating the tax system can translate to substantial savings, magnified over the arc of years or even decades. Rather than viewing taxes as a mere financial obligation, the wealthy approach them as a puzzle, one that, when solved, can unveil significant benefits. By employing legal tax planning strategies, these individuals manage to carve pathways that minimize their liabilities, ensuring they retain a more substantial portion of their hard-earned money. Such strategies might involve leveraging tax-deferred accounts, optimizing deductions, or restructuring assets to be more tax efficient. It's important to note that these maneuvers aren't about evasion, but about smart, lawful optimization. In the grand tapestry of wealth building, adept tax planning shines as a testament to the principle that it's not just about how much you earn, but also about how much you effectively retain and reinvest. 9. Mindset. The journey to prosperity is often less about tangible assets and more about an intangible yet immensely powerful factor: mindset. Beneath the sheen of material wealth lies a foundational belief system that dictates one's approach to challenges, failures, and growth. Many of the affluent don't just happen upon wealth. They cultivate a mental framework that propels them towards it, even in the face of adversity. Central to this framework is the growth mindset. Unlike those who see abilities as static, the wealthy often view challenges as malleable learning opportunities, believing that effort and perseverance can shape outcomes. This perspective means they don't cower in the face of setbacks or failures. Instead, they dissect them, learn from them, and use them as stepping stones towards their goals. It's this resilience, born from a deep-seated belief in their capacity to evolve and adapt, that becomes a pivotal ally in their odyssey to financial success. In essence, while investments and strategies play their part, it's often the mindset, that unyielding belief in one's potential, that truly sets the wealthy apart. 10. Long-term vision and planning. The trajectory of wealth is seldom a serendipitous leap, but more often a meticulously plotted journey, anchored in long-term vision and planning. While many get entangled in the immediacy of now, swayed by the allure of quick gains and short-term rewards, the truly affluent chart a different course. Their horizon extends beyond the fleeting present, encompassing years, if not decades, shaping their choices and strategies. This extended temporal perspective is not a mere exercise in patience, it's a strategic advantage. By setting long-term goals, these individuals create a roadmap that guides their actions, helping them navigate the complexities of the financial landscape. This foresight, combined with strategic planning, enables them to seize opportunities and mitigate risks that might elude a short-term thinker. It often means making present-day sacrifices, foregoing instant gratifications for the promise of a brighter, more prosperous future. In the grand mosaic of wealth building, it's this ability to envision the distant future and to diligently work towards it that often distinguishes the truly prosperous from the transiently wealthy. In the intricate journey of wealth building, it's not just about tangible assets or quick wins, but a harmonious blend of mindset, strategy, and action. The affluent stand as architects of their fortune, crafting their path with intention, fueled by continuous learning, robust networks, and long-term visions. As we reflect on the principles that underpin financial success, it becomes clear that the voyage is about embracing setbacks as learning opportunities, leveraging the wisdom of diversification, and celebrating the resilience of a growth mindset. To those embarking on this financial odyssey, remember, it's less about the destination and more about the journey's intricacies. Dive deeper, stay informed, and let your legacy be one of intention, insight, and indomitable spirit.